Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing both devices and the area. First, confirm your iPhone supports Qi or MagSafe so charging will engage. Remove thick cases or metal objects because they block alignment. Next, plug the wireless pad into a USB-C PD wall adapter rated for the pad. Use 7. 5W for standard Qi or 15W for MagSafe. Then, place the charger on a flat, stable surface and clear the top so your phone can sit flush and align properly. Now position your iPhone precisely. You'll want the charging coils aligned. If you have MagSafe, you'll feel a magnetic snap. Otherwise, center the phone visually on the pad. Look for the charging icon and the battery percentage increasing, or a MagSafe animation that confirms a secure connection. If the phone gets warm, shift it slightly to improve airflow. Make sure the case isn't interfering, because even small gaps or misalignment reduce power transfer and slow charging. To finish, lift your iPhone straight up off the pad. Don't slide it, so connectors and the surface remain undamaged. If charging doesn't start, confirm the wall adapter and cable are working and that the pad's power LED is on. Also make sure iOS is up to date because firmware affects charging. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot your phone or disconnect the pad for 30 seconds to reset negotiation. If problems persist, try another certified charger or contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.